Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Keith. Can you guess what we're doing today? Can you guess? Can you guess? Can you effing guess? Today's video, I'm going to show you guys my makeup because I get so much questions every day, like how do I do my makeup, like what products that I use, like everything like about it. So I just wanted to show you guys my new makeup bag. I did get a new makeup bag. I got it from Amazon. I'll leave everything like down below. And yeah, here's the old one. Here's the new one. Old one. New one. Classy, trashy, Chanel, Payless. Yeah, this is gonna be my makeup haul for the year 2018 makeup haul. Like, I can't believe I'm doing this video. I always wanted to do a haul, but like, I just never had the spirit to do it, and I just never had the time to do it. So yeah, but before I start this haul, you guys know the drill. Subscribe to my channel, don't be fake. Also, click that notification bell so you guys can get notified when I post a new video or any new content. Like, come on, be notified when I post this video. And also too, I just want to say Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, all that other shindig. I hope you guys had a safe Christmas. I hope you guys had an amazing New Year, and I hope you guys have a new Year's resolution. I do. I have so much goals this year, and I'm already hitting it off so much. So yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling, and I feel like Tana Moja right now just vlogging on this phone. So I'm just gonna switch camera sides, and I'm just gonna get on with the vlog. We have my Ride or Die setting spray. This is the Scandinavia, the makeup finishing spray, oil control. If you guys didn't know my skin type, I do have oily skin, but it was like so weird. I went to the makeup store like recently, and they told me my face is dry, but my nose is oily. But like I have normal skin, but like I'm like my dermatologist said I have oily skin, but like I really don't care. My nose is oily. That's all my problem is. So I use this to control my oils. This is how I really control my oils. Even this and this setting spray also like gets rid of like powder and stuff. So like if you like over bake and stuff, if you just use like a lot of sprays with this, it'll get rid of the powder and just make your face look like skin. So I like using this because it just like helps my makeup. And like way how I do my I look back at the way I used to do my makeup, and I feel like if I had this when I was like starting makeup, like my makeup would look better. So I really highly recommend this to anybody who's starting makeup, because this is like the shiznit. Anyway, that was so cute. Okay, next I have my beauty blender, Aussie. This is the Real Technique beauty blender. This is the real one. Has a little logo right there. So I love this, and it's so soft because I just clean it. So yeah. Next, okay, you guys are gonna be shook to the core. Next, I have my favorite company ever. This company is called Beauty Glaze. They make like they remake like eyeshadows from like famous companies like CheriGlow Cosmetics and like Huda Beauty. So like this look like to you guys like the bronze palette, or like the burgundy palette from Kylie. Like it's literally like a dupe, and I use this shadow so much like when I'm wearing like makeup every day, like when I'm doing my everyday makeup. Like this, it's like so amazing, so pretty. Love this company so much. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. They even made like a remake of Jaclyn Hill, her Morphe like eyeshadow collab, and this is 100% safe, cruelty free. I tested out myself too, so there's nothing wrong with it. I know there's like companies that like make like the fake Kylies and stuff like that, but no, this is like a company on their own. This is cruelty free, as you can see right here, cruelty free and everything. Like this is an amazing company. I love this company so much, and I've been emailing them back and forth, and they're really cool. So Beauty Glaze, hey. Okay, and what else I have here is my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. If you have a lot of melanin in your skin, if you're dark skin, light skin, or even like medium skin tone, medium skin tone too, I really highly recommend this, because this is really like the best like for African American skin type who has like, or even people who has like a lot of melanin in their skin. Like this is like really amazing. So yeah. And then I just have my wedges, but I bake with, so that's not interesting. And then up here, I just have like my big like brushes. One here is like the Morphe one. This one's like to go here for like contouring, and then these two brushes like that look similar. I don't know the company. I got it on Amazon. Same for the unicorn brush too. Sorry guys. Now time for the shit show we've been waiting for. So in here, I just have like a lot of lip gloss, yeah, mostly lip gloss and a lot of concealer is my primers, yeah, a lot of primers too. So let's just start from there. So like I'm just gonna put like the stuff that I like think. Let's just start with primers. So primers, I just gotta, when you buy the Huda Beauty foundation, they actually leave a sample like inside the box. So I think that's really cool. I actually wanted to try this, so, and I hear this is like really good. So this is gonna go in my kit. My friend Ariana, she got me the Too Faced hangover primer. She had like extra one of this when we was getting ready when we went to visit Gabby. Gabby was so amazing. I'm sorry I didn't have a vlog of that. I will probably still make it if you guys want me to, but I'll leave a photo like here, me and Gabby. Like she looks so adorable. But like, Ari, thanks for this primer. I hear so much amazing good things about this, and the makeup artist just recently told me I have dry skin now, and this is perfect for dry skin, and it has coconut oil. This has coconut water in it, so I think I may use this. Next I have the NYX Angel Veil. If you have oily skin, this is like the holy grail. I'm not even gonna talk about this. Like, you know about this. Like, come on now. Next, what else? Kind of like my go-to brushes. So like I have some for highlighting, like these two are Morphe. Oh, these three are Morphe, and then the rest, like the ones that like have the bronze metal on it, they're from Sephora. This small one right here, this is a NYX concealer brush. This is in the number 14. Like these are like the brushes I always gravitate to like when I'm doing my everyday makeup. So I'm just gonna put this for last. So yeah, back to this. My LA Girl concealer. This is what I orange correct with. This is amazing. My Bobbi Brown concealer. This is actually amazing too. I like mixing with my LA Girl concealer and Fawn. They're like the same, like comparison. Yeah, they're like the same, but this one's like a little lighter, and I like that for the brightening effect. This is in the shade. Let's see. This is in the shade. I think Warm Honey. Yep, Warm Honey. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yep, Warm Honey. LA Girl Fawn, like a classic. You love a classic queen. My eyebrow pencil, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Granity. And my Aesthetica, you guys been sleeping on Aesthetica. This is just like this, but like cheaper. So I use both of these for my brows. We got a eye pencil, but it's also a lip liner. This is from Ruby Kisses, I think. We got not one, but where's the other one? Oh, here it is. Not one, but two Fenty lip glosses, because I'm really obsessed with Fenty, and I'm really obsessed with the lip gloss. I haven't got any of the other foundations or concealers or highlighters. I know, but like Rihanna, girl, you know I love you, and I always promote the lip glosses. The lip gloss is like really good. This is actually my go-to. So like I love, I have like a combo lip when I'm like going out, or like when I'm doing or if I'm doing my makeup for school, or if I have a date or something. Like I always go with Fenty. Like you gotta go with Fenty. Glossy Air. This is what I pair it with the Fenty Beauty. They actually sent me this. Like my friend was telling me about like Glossy Air lip gloss is like really good, and this is really good. So like I like putting on the Fenty first and then the Glossy Air. The Glossy Air, you guys been sleeping on Glossy Air. Glossy Air, I love you so much. Thank you for sending me this. This is just a regular. No, this is not a regular lip gloss. This is like a unicorn, like purple pastel-y like lip gloss. My best friend, she gave me this, so because she didn't want this, so I was like, I want it. So thank you, Amaya. You guys know Amaya. Also, this is my Marc Jacobs lip gloss. This is in the shade Work It. I love this one so much. It used to be my jam. I need to start wearing this back. Like, it's so good. Another lip gloss. I know, I'm a lip gloss girl. This is in Cinnamon Roll. I love this one so much. Like, this one's like really good. Dior. Like, guys, it's just lip gloss city over here. So this is Dior. This is in the number This is in the number 006. I love this one so much. This is a lip maximizer, but like guys, it doesn't like really burn your lips or nothing like that. It has collagen in it, so if you want bigger lips, like, do you. This is this is my favorite liquid lipstick. This is ColourPop, and this is in the shade Limbo. I love this so much. This is like my shit. So this is like the perfect brown lipstick. Like, it's so good. And right here is my Kylie one, and this is, what is this? This is what is it? Oh, Brown Sugar. Like, this is my first ever Kylie lipstick. I love this one so much. It's a little light, so I think I'll like use these two together. Okay, you guys, that was the end of my video. Hope you guys liked it. I'm sorry, this is like a weird video to do. I never do like hauls and stuff like that. I always wanted to do hauls, but like, you know, I'm like, my life is a roller coaster. So I mean, like, I can never do hauls because like, one, I'm impatient. Two, if the days when I do buy stuff, my mom is home and I can't really film because like she's gonna like cover me and she's gonna start talking, and you know, I hate my mom. I don't hate my mom, I just like, you know, make my mom good. We just never get along. We never get along. But yeah, that was the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope this was like a brand new video. If you guys really do like this video, please tell me like in the comment section below, so you know I can still make videos like this. I kind of like doing hauls, and this was actually kind of fun, even though I feel like I was just rambling and jumbling all over the place and stuff like that. But yeah, so yeah, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, you know, like, and what I always say, smash that subscribe button. There will be a subscribe button right here, so you guys can you know, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell. That's something what YouTubers say now, so click the notification bell so you guys can be notified when I post a new video, or if I'm posting something, so you guys can get updated and you guys won't flop on me. Like, it's 2018 and you guys need to click on the notification bell. But yeah, and also too, sorry I look like a whole straight dude. I haven't shaved like obviously like in a long time. I haven't shaved like my beard like since like December, because I was just waiting for my birthday. My birthday is next week. My birthday is January the 19th, so I cannot wait to spend my birthday with my friends, all my closest friends, all my real friends, and you know, to celebrate another year of life. Like, I'm turning 19. It's gonna be so crazy. I'm turning 19 on January the 19th. That's really crazy and that's really cool. So I'm actually kind of freaking out. So yeah, I already have my outfit. Like, obviously you guys know I'm going in for the makeup because like I'm gonna be like really glam. I'm gonna pussy sun again once a year. That's pretty much it, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for an amazing year. I haven't told you guys Happy New Year. I haven't told you guys thank you for last year. Thank you guys last year. Last year was so much crazy with my YouTube career. I know I've been having different channels. I know I've been deleting my channels. I know like I had problems with my Instagram and like, you know, all that other crazy stuff. But like, this is a whole new year. We're starting clean. I'm determined so much for this year to like grow this channel and to grow our family and to grow and like just to let you guys know who I am and to know the real me. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and don't forget to stay strong. Bye guys.